There's a couple of priests here, Vietnamese American priests, um, here in Irvine and one in Newport Beach. That I'm sure they're pretty good people and decent fellows and good intentions, but they have a difficult time saying their R's. And so when they say anything with an R, it sounds like we. Like rejoice sounds like we joyed. And then in one case, one of the priests can't say the S on the end either. So it's we joy. Like today is talking about rejoice always. Again, I say rejoice. And then we sang the song we joy. I'm not mocking him, but I'm just saying that it kind of is emasculating to him and to us as the parishioners. We want to be ennobled and you know given a sort of a pep talk. And it's hard when that pep talk sounds like that. And so I just I don't know what else to say. Other than that's my comment. I don't what can they do? What can we do? I try to avoid going to those homilies, to be honest with you, because they make me feel weak. So I don't know. I don't know what to say.